In this video tutorial, I just explain you the project Entertainment Info System. It's a VB.NET project and a simple project. Here there are 5 main things. One is party, workshop, exhibition, concert, theater. So it may be useful for company or a college where a lot of these activities, entertainment activities going on. Because it's a desktop application, so people has to install this software in their desktop and they can know like when the parties will happen, when the workshop will happen, when the exhibition will take place, when concert, when theater shows are available. So you have to inform to the employees or students this project is useful. This project can be implemented by using any one of these languages. We can use VB.NET to develop this project, or you can use C#.NET, or you can use Java, or you can use Android, or you can also use any other language which you are already learning and you need to do a project in that particular language. Then you can use this idea. This is a simple idea. Therefore, you can implement this project into that language. This project will be useful for all these students who are doing course in any of these courses. Right? We all know like in your semester, in the particular semester or in a final exam, you're supposed to make a project. So for that project, you need a concept, some idea, and you always have to find some new ideas. So in that, entertainment info system is a one more idea that you can utilize and you can build the application based on this concept. This video will also help us to gain language skills. So language skills, like you should know the language, right? So therefore you should know about VB. So here we talk about VB language, VB forms, tables, and how do we connectivity. A lot of things we'll discuss. Therefore you learn some skills, language skills, and then you're also learning domain skills. Here like entertainment info system, when the title is given, what you can do in this project, what are the things you can add up to that, how do you make the project is more useful to the people, how do you make project is working fine. So therefore there are domain skills you can learn from the work experience. If you complete the project by your own, you get a work experience, that is a project development experience. That experience will help you to get the job. Therefore, after watching this video, you can try to implement this project any of the language which already discussed. Software requirement. So this is a requirement in a VB.NET. If you're using some other language, please find what are the requirement. Project forms. So in these forms, we are using these many forms. Basically for every form, there is a corresponding report form, because once you enter the data, someone can able to view the data. So this is a customer form, this is exhibition, this splash screen, login, MDA module. These are common forms in all the project. Then is a party list, theater list, user login, workshop list. Okay. So therefore mainly 5 concepts. Database tables, the backend we are using is a Microsoft SQL Server. Here are the tables. Customer table who can sign up, or customer may be student or employee or person who using the system. Okay, so these are the customers. Exhibition details, admin login details, party details, theater details, and then workshop details. So here how the project works. So if you admin login, then this top menu will appear. If user logs in, the bottom menu will appear. So here we are showing both, but actually in practical, when you log in based on the user, only one menu will be shown. So whereas if you log in as admin, you could be able to enter the party details, you can enter workshop details, exhibition details, concert detail, theaters. Right, so when I click a party, so there is a party form here. This form will open on the screen. You have to enter the data. The data will again transfer to the party table. Here is a party table. This will go to party table. Same way workshop. There is a workshop form will open on the screen, and that will go to the workshop table. Likewise, whenever you click each menu item, the corresponding form will open on the screen, and the corresponding data will be transferred to these tables. So entertainment info system basically to display the informations. Okay, so one user is the admin user, or the people who are managing this application. The other one is the, as I discussed, where we are using this application, whether you're using application in a college or whether you're using the application in a large company. So in a company, what happens, like, a lot of these activities happens. So therefore there are n number of employees. So all the employees can sign up with this application, and then they can able to view this. So if there is a party, they can able to see when the party or who conducting this party, all the details will come. If there are some concert, so therefore they can able to see the concert. Like all the 5 concepts whatever we discussed will all be displayed on screen. So therefore they know like when these things will happen, so they can participate in the corresponding event. So for more details, please log into iblix.com, and to see the complete list, so you can log into this Blogger site. For more details, you can also communicate with us. Now let me show the project demo. Before getting to the project demo, please subscribe to our channel. So subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe button, and you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box and then send to us. So now I'll show the project in Visual Basic 2019. This is a Visual Studio. This is particularly Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition. This is 2019. So it's a free software. You can download from Microsoft website. So you can go to Visual Studio 2019. Sorry, presently internet is not there. So you can go to Microsoft website and you can download from the Microsoft website. Fine. So let me run the project for you. So here is a welcome screen. This is the first welcome screen. So that will be there for 5 seconds. After that, you will show the login options. So here is admin login. So for admin, it's admin, then admin. Okay. So here is a party details. So when the party will happen, so for the complete details, we can enter what party it is. Then workshop. Let's say there is a workshop. Okay. So let's assume this for the company. So in the company, there's workshop going on. So about Visual Basic. So Visual Basic workshop. So workshop type. So this is education. So this is education. So detail. So about Visual Basic 4 hours program. So address. So where it happens. So it will happen in the some auditorium. So let's say ABC auditorium. Right, when is the date? So let's say this happens on the 11th. So organized by the company. Contact person, some Ravi, mobile number. If there is any fee detail, you can write the fee detail. If it is a free, you can write as a free. Save. So now there is a one workshop. The details are entered here. Same way if there are exhibitions, you can enter the exhibition details here. Same way there is a concert, so therefore concert details. The theater shows, any drama, dance, all these activities can be entered here. So you can see the concept is same. So therefore 5 different activities, the concept is same. For each one we created a one form. So here you can enter all the details. So here is a customer list. So you can see that one customer sign up. So same way multiple people can sign up to this. Even though it's offline, so you can sign up and then you can able to log in here. So now we can log in as you can go to user sign up, then user login. So now user can see what are the parties are there like. So there is a one birthday party. If they wish, they can go and attend the party. But when you go to workshops, so let's show the workshops. So fine. So there are 4 workshops. So this is a Visual Basic workshop. So complete details is shown again here. Right, where is the auditorium and all. Right. So in case need to contact, you can contact number, contact person, both are provided. So based on these details, you can decide whether you would like to go to that workshop or not. Like same way there are theater shows. So if there are any theater shows, that will be shown over there. So this application totally to enter the data in one side, the other way you can view the data. As I told in the beginning, it's a simple project, so easy to implement. Only thing is the size. Okay, again it is the same number of forms here, around 14 forms, and there are 6 tables. So you need to manage everything and see to it like the total things working fine without any errors, means the project is fine. So hope you understand the concept. So anything you would like to say, please put it in the comment box and send to us. And thank you for watching.